In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet microphone not working. If people can't hear you on a call, the culprit is usually a permission setting or the wrong input device. We'll walk through quick checks in your browser, permission settings in Windows, and the in-meeting audio picker so you can get back to speaking clearly. Start in your browser, open it up and search for Google Meet. Click the official link to open Meet, then sign in so you can access meetings and settings. Before joining a call, check the browser's permission settings. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Settings. Open Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Find Microphone and open it. Here, make sure microphone access is allowed for sites. If you see a blocked or not allowed list, look for meet.google.com. If it's there, click the trash can icon next to it to remove the block. This clears the restrictions, so Meet can ask for access the next time you join a call. If your browser has permission, but the microphone still seems blocked, your operating system may be preventing access. On Windows, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select Microphone. Ensure microphone access is turned on globally. Also turn on Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone. These two switches control whether apps like your browser can listen at all, so if either is off, Meet won't hear you, even if the site itself is allowed. If you use multiple audio devices, like a webcam mic plus a separate headset, Meet might simply be listening to the wrong one. Join or start a Meet session. Click More Options, the three dots at the bottom, and choose Settings. Select the audio section. Under Microphone, open the drop-down and pick the device you actually want to use, such as your headset, your USB mic, or your laptop's built-in microphone. Speak a few words out loud. If you see the small blue bars next to the microphone icon bouncing as you talk, Meet is successfully picking up your voice. If nothing moves, choose a different device from the list and test again until the meter reacts. This live level meter is the quickest way to confirm the correct input is selected. That's it. By confirming site permissions in the browser, enabling microphone access in Windows, and selecting the right device inside Meet, you should be heard clearly on your calls. Revisit these settings anytime you plug in a new headset or switch microphones, and you'll be ready for your next meeting.